going to show you a quick little snack that can be used either for breakfast, lunch, or for an after dinner dessert. My ingredients will be cottage cheese, romaine lettuce, I have some pineapple, and I've chosen peaches. First thing I'm going to do, boys and girls, don't forget you need to wash your hands. Always make sure you have clean hands. If you want to, you may use gloves. I have already pre-washed the romaine lettuce, and instead of using a knife, I just tear it apart, and I am going to make a bed of lettuce. Now also, if your parents allow you, or they can pre-cut the romaine lettuce, you can do slices where it'll be easier for you to use. Afterwards, I am going to put a dollop of cottage cheese, depending on how much you like. Next, I am going to use some peaches. Now again, if you don't like this type of fruit, you can use any other fruit that you like. Pears, watermelon, and there you go, a nice healthy little snack.